got a couple birds that were drinking some water. At least I saw them and you saw them. I've seen a couple rabbits, but not in there. I've just seen them in my yard. So with it raining and everything, it kind of brought the birds over. I got wonderful neighbors. One neighbor gave me the rose bushes and the mulch and helped me get the driftwood. And another neighbor gave me the bird bath. And another neighbor, she mows my yard. Another neighbor, he kind of cooks for me sometimes. He'll fix something and bring it over to me, or have me come over and get it. He's right across the street. I've got some great neighbors. I know it's going to be a short one, but I just wanted to show you that I finally got some visitors in their little playground. I was going to say my playground. I built it for them. And I'll make a little bit longer video later on and tell you what's been happening. And I'll talk with you soon. Y'all have a great day. And just be a blessing to everybody. God bless you. Bye-bye.